Hello friends, in this video I show you Google Chrome new tricks. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Google Chrome and writing here Diwali. And click here. And next have friends, you writing here Holi. And click here. And you see here, anywhere you click your laptop or PC screen colorful ready. In your mobile also you can use these tricks. And next you writing here DVD screen saver. And click here. And you see here screen have a DVD logo. So friends, if these 3 tricks you like, then you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.